Might not have got the queen. Some of them are going back.
Yeah, I still see a little bit in there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If I've got the queen in that box, they'll go in that box. If not, they'll all go back right there.
That's cool. Of course, you know, they got to protect them too.
They are going in the box though.
You must have fun doing this.
Huh?
You must have fun doing this.
I do.
Yeah.
They're going in the box.
They are.
Some of them are.
Nah, not yet. You don't know yet. That sounds just amazing, you know?
Put that stick they were on down there. They still smell that queen on that stick.
Mm-hmm.
They'll go to you now, maybe.
Yeah, she actually saw them like about 2 o'clock right before I got home from school. And she said they just flew in a swarm and formed like a ball around the queen or whatever to protect it. So.